Dito kayo. Ngayon, buutan mo to. Buutan mo to. Buutan mo to. Ay, buutan yun. Wala ka sa pinaglola. Ay, buutan. Bagoy sila na.
Sige, tagpugas na kayo init to. What's his name again? Who? The baby? Bad breath. Kaya mag-init kong tubig. Ngapit ko. Wait sa! Butang sa ka! On. Dila ko nung babutang ng palho. Mag-init ang tubig. Butang ba? Kaya mag-init ang tubig. Ang mga piko. Ano bita ko nga niya na wake up? Sweet dreams, William. The duck sounds weird. Huh? There's no duck. The guy who called you Maya. Ah! Given. Ah! This one, there. Here? Race. The one? Race. But here, it's given. Breastfeeding. No, I'm not going to breastfeeding. Breastfeeding. Unsa ka? Unsa ka? Huh? She's mad. She's mad at me, guys. Given, not Steven. Given. She's mad at me, guys. Oh, goodness. Ading. You're here in the Philippines na, Ronnie. How was your JF? Baby. She's mad at me. Butang ba kayo magkapit ko? Iginit ko tubig. Tading. Sabi kayo magkuhan ka sa hangin. Kuhan lang. Kasi mo ba hangin ay kuhan lang. Oh, dirty kayo. Hindi magawas. Dirty kayo. No, I thought you're here in the Philippines na meeting with your GF. Baho og kike. Jeffrey, you must be. Yes, I'm from Philippines and I'm proud of it. Why? Yes, there's a lot of rooster here in our place. Thank you, Ben.